lies, tell me your dirty secrets, yo. Get yours fast, let's go. And if they chase us down, don't ever look back, you'll be safe in my arms. Jumped in his car, we hardly spoke, hardly a sound. He couldn't keep his eyes out on the road. He called me a star, he said you're gonna blow. 25 kilo till we pass the state line, so we should elope. Right then shit got crazy, we just slept on the fog lines. Whatever, whatever, oh. My memory's hazy, I think we left the fog lines, under violet strobes, I did this dance he loved. Whispered to him my dirty secrets, yo. Classic vinyl soul, we danced to the trombone. Didn't ever look back as I laid in his arms. Oh, we watched the stars, oh, he smelled like clothes. He couldn't keep his hands away, no, he couldn't keep me in my clothes. He called me a star, he said you're gonna blow. 200 kilo per hour, let's keep on the fog lights and go. Right then shit got crazy, we just slept on the fog lights. Whatever, whatever, oh. My memory's hazy, I think we left the fog lights, Right then shit got crazy, we just slept on the fog lights. Whatever, whatever, oh. My memory's hazy, I think we left the fog lights, Right then shit got crazy, we just slept on the fog lights. Whatever, whatever, oh. My memory faded, I think we left the fog lights, I think we left the fog lights. Whatever, whatever, I think we left the fog lights,
Hey, how are you doing, guys? See, guys, I'm feeling nice. It's at night. It's on Thursday around almost 1, but I need to record this before I go to bed. Today was such an amazing day. I went for my cousin's birthday celebration, and see, ilikuwa nice. We were just my other friend who you know on this channel called Agi, and my cousin Make and I then went for brunch, which turned into a dinner, and then we passed through our local joint to have some cocktails, and I feel nice. Ilikuwa such an amazing day. We went to try village market. The food was delicious, so yummy, and the whole vibe, yeah, guys, you just need to be intentional with your people. Like Mimi, it was just impromptu. My cousin is not very good at arranging things, so aliniambia, we ni kesho. Man, I not even shopped for clothes. I was not prepared in any way or form, but I had to be there for her, so I made it happen. Me there running, sprinting, and I'm glad I went. In this adulthood, I'm learning a lot of things, and the biggest lesson is that if you have a few good people in your life, you should be there for them and go all out, like all out for them. Like my cousin has been really there for me. When I was having a newborn baby, she was crying at night, you know, colic manenos if you're a mom. And my cousin came to stay with me from when Elle was like 5 months, and she would stay with Elle, and I'm wake up and go, and then they go even outside. Happy birthday, cousin. Nakupenda sana, and I'm glad that you celebrated this birthday in this amazing place, and I'm glad I made it. Yes. So, man, I don't know what to say. I had such a good day. I'm drunk, a little tipsy. So, let me just end today's vlog here, and then we'll see each other tomorrow, maybe while we are doing 1-2 in this house. I love you guys. Keep being my loyalties. I'm really glad that you're watching me.
I wonder what's the point of trying when I'm always disappointed in the end. Sometimes I think I could be dying from the pain inside my chest that I can't mend. It seems the more I live, the less I know, and the more I give, the more I grow. Whoa, this ain't an ordinary life, not when you're up all night. I got fire in my eyes, you wanna see the light. This ain't an ordinary life, not when you're up all night. I got a feeling deep inside, won't live an ordinary life. I get lost inside my head, find hope in silence. Gives me a vibe that I can keep going. I fall asleep, will I wake up? I just can't take all the fake love. I'm in the dark, I know I gotta keep glowing. It seems the more I live, the less I show, but the more I give, the more I glow. Whoa, this ain't an ordinary life, not when you're up all night. I got fire in my eyes, you wanna see the light. This ain't an ordinary life, not when you're up all night. I got a feeling deep inside, won't live an ordinary life. Can't live an ordinary life. But who's to say what's ordinary is? It waking up and working your whole day, maybe fall in love and start a family. Will the life I choose pull me away? This ain't an ordinary life, not when you're up all night. I got fire in my eyes, you wanna see the light. Let's go. This ain't an ordinary life, not when you're up all night.
Hey guys, welcome back. So I just did some little cleaning, and I wanted to pot the flowers because I didn't want them nyaukaing. Like, I wanted them looking all fresh, and that's what I did. So guys, today has been such a hard morning. I don't want to kitchen you guys. I went to marinate myself yesterday on my cousin's birthday, a little marination, and my end was like, it was not cooperating. You know, I'm such a light-ended person. I didn't even drink like kunywa. It was just me taking one, I think it's a beer or something, that snap. Is it snap? It is pineapple punch, and it has so much sugar. I was feeling like I'm taking some juices here and there, but well, my end has been. So I want to make some, right now I want to make some smoothie, very cold one. That's what we are going to do. You do it in this video. Guys, I'm loving recording these videos. I hope you are loving watching them as I am enjoying recording. Yes, let's dive into making that smoothie, guys.
Feel like gravity really working on me. Keep on pushing me into the ground. Why do I feel so entitled? I hear resistance speaking right into my mind. I wish I listened more, 'cause I know more. Wish I acted right, but it feels like I don't know who I am no more. Don't know who to be, therefore I keep on searching on in the wrong places. Sip tequila just to heal anxiety. I don't want this no more. I'll be so bored. Need a new line, catch me before I fall. Need a new line, catch me before I fall. Need a new line, catch me before I fall. New line, new line, new line, catch me before I fall. So addicted to this feeling of sadness. Seems like everything I do becomes a hotness. Just wanna open up the doors and scream out, fuck it. I'll go full nomad, then they'll say she's hopeless, tragic. I'm never perfect, just wanna work it, yeah, yeah. All of the jealous are really zealous, yeah, yeah. I'm overthinking, losing inhibition, yeah, yeah. Something is missing, it's self-permission, yeah, yeah. Gravity really working on me, keep on pushing me into the ground. Why do I feel so entitled? I hear resistance speaking right into my mind. I wish I listened more, cause I know more. Wish I acted right, but it feels like I don't know who I am no more. Don't know who to be, therefore I keep on searching on in the wrong places. Sip tequila just to heal anxiety. I don't want this no more. I'll be so bored. Need a new line, catch me before I fall.
Hey guys, I'm taking the smoothie. It tastes nice. The balance between citric and the sweetness is what I was seeking, and I'm loving it. The ice cubes are just giving it what it's supposed to get. Yeah. Continue watching this video. Yeah. Guys, I came bearing gifts. Ha! Let's open and see what we were brought. It's on Saturday, guys. This is like a turtle bag, and it's written Dubai. The person who brought these was in Dubai. Hii ni yangu, I suspect. And then this is else. Yes, it is cute. Very cute. Let's open and see what is inside. Guys, it is nice quality and it's big enough. I think now Elle will use this when she starts going to school, or when I start taking her out and she is all walking and strong on her feet. Giftland special offer. I think there was a Black Friday. Yay! Teddy. Inanukia vizuri. Inanukia Muislamu. For real. Then we have this mat. And as she is seeing, and she's wanting them. Ah. It's nice. Let me give Elle this to play around with. Thank you for bringing us this. Lucky, I'm happy. Thank you for bringing those gifts for us. And guys, Elle is saying bye. I think our vlog will end here. It's on Sato. I'm in such a spirit. I'm just chilling, as you can see. I'm in my sleeping heels, and I will let this vlog here so that I can start my vlog for Thursday. I'm such a consistent, intentional body. Guys, keep liking this video, share if you can. Thank you so much for showing me so much love. Guys, I'm doing my channel has started now recovering. If you're a content creator, you know, when it is facing down and they're all black. Now it's green. Then asanteni. So till the next one, please keep showing me some love. Bye.